This is the Florida Hospital Nicholson Center, and I'm Scott Magnuson, Director of the 5th Annual International Obstructive Sleep Apnea Surgery Dissection course. The course is organized over 3 days, where our mornings include lectures on medical management, surgical management of obstructive sleep apnea, and in the afternoon we go to the lab and perform surgical dissection on cadavers to practice the techniques that we learned in the morning.
In this course we strive to have an instructor for every 2 to 3 participants. The instructors are very close to the participants during the dissection and help guide them to achieve a good level of competence in performing the procedure.
Here they have the experts from all over the world who really are at the top edge of the scientific research, who are at the top edge of new developments, new treatments, and that's why if they attend this course, it's their chance to become experts in the field on their own in their home country. It's the best course I know.
The attendees here range from people who are just starting out in the field to people who've done a fair amount of sleep surgery or like surgery and wanted to expand into sleep surgery. So it's a wide range of skills, and this course accommodates all of them.
So what's new in this year is that we have even more availability of equipment within the dissection lab, and we're able to show multiple different techniques that people can take back and easily incorporate into their practice without the need for lots of different equipment.
The International Sleep Surgery course here at the Florida Hospital is clearly the best in the world. What makes this course really stand out is the combination of just the outstanding international faculty and a facility that's really world-class.
One of the main features of this course is that it's a typically hands-on course. Hands-on means that the people coming, the attendees, are able to reproduce under our supervision any kind of surgery that was already explained and introduced during the morning.
Certainly the facilities that you're not going to get really anywhere else that's got this access to this whole centre with the lecture facilities, the audio-visual facilities, the cadaver dissection, all coming together in the one course every year.
These are the leaders in the sleep. If you read a sleep literature, it's Claudio Vicini, it's Tucker Woodson, it's Stuart Mackay. These are the people that are writing all of the things that we're reading and trying to learn. So when they have come up with the latest way of doing it, it's great because they're having this conversation here before it's even come out in the literature.
We are planning an even better meeting next year with additional faculty and more opportunity for hands-on learning. So if you'd like information about this meeting, please visit our website at nicholsoncenter.com and look for OSAS 2019 on our educational webpage. Thank you.